I've had an opportunity to have a sneak peek of the upcoming Divi 4.0, which is going to be massive because this is the theme builder, and it's going to give us the ability to work on our headers and footers and also to design custom templates. Now, of course, I can't say much about this and I don't know exactly what date it's coming out, but what I can say is this is going to change how we design websites using Divi. It's fantastic. I've played around with it and it's mind-blowing. That's all I can say. So the reason why I'm doing this video is a lot is going to change now in regards to the training that we have on funnels to income. So that means all the courses on how to create membership websites, cart flows, LearnDash, and web design formula, all this is going to change because this massive change that's going to come with Divi 4.0 is going to make all the courses that we have redundant. So rather than waste a lot of time working on these courses right now, to be honest, I'd rather wait until Divi 4.0 is released, because then that becomes our main foundation of any other courses that we're going to build on top of Divi, because Divi now is going to be our foundation and all the courses we're going to have are going to be on top of Divi. Now, this ensures that we have a consistent UI and we won't have inconsistencies when we take a look at different versions of Divi. So this is why all the courses right now are on hold and everything is going to be based on Divi 4.0. So for those of you that were waiting for these courses to be released as soon as possible, I really apologize, but I'm sure you can see the reason why it's important for us to just start everything on a brand new platform. Now, once Divi 4.0 is released, this is going to be pretty much the standard layout or the standard UI for quite a long time. And this is why I prefer this to be the foundation. So what is this going to mean for the current members or lifetime members? Well, lifetime members will still have access to all these upcoming courses. So that is great. So there's no changes there for lifetime members. When it comes to VIP members, those of you that pay monthly, now you're going to get access to all these courses absolutely free. So there's no need to worry there. Now, here's the thing. This is the massive change. Moving forward, the price for the VIP membership is currently at $17 per month. Now, this is going to increase to $29 per month. And here's the reason why. Now, with Divi 4.0, we're going to have the ability to design themes. So we can have websites where you can just install and it just adds all the designs, all the layouts and all that good stuff. Now, currently we can only do it page by page, but moving forward, we're going to be doing it like pretty much as a whole website. So I'm going to be designing fully fledged themes that you can just buy, install, and you're up and running. So for those of you that are members, of course, you'll get all this free, but the reason why the price is going up is because there's going to be a lot of courses, a lot of these themes, a lot of templates that we're going to have to help you design websites faster. So as you can appreciate, there's a lot of work that's going to go into the designs and making sure that all these layouts are mobile friendly and so on. And also, we're going to be doing a lot of training. I'm thinking of doing like 2 live shows for the members. So that's where we can discuss, quite a lot of things in regards to web design and how you can, design your websites using this new theme builder, because there's a lot of things that you're going to be learning from this. And of course, because this is going to be something brand new, it's going to have a learning curve. So this is where we're going to do all these live trainings. So for those of you who are freelance designers, you're going to be ahead of the curve and with all these new features that you can start applying. Now, as well as this, we're also going to have our mini courses. So these are courses based on plugins that can work well with specific type of websites. Like, let's say, for example, you want to create some funnels on your website. We're also going to have Cart Flows, which is going to be a plugin that allows you to build funnels. Or let's say you want to have a website that accepts bookings. Again, these are the mini courses that I'll be adding. And these will be also fueled by you, the community. So if there's any popular sites that you want me to work on, I can just create, quick tutorials on that, and you'll be able to set up your assignments. Now, what type of courses are coming up? So there are going to be about 5 main courses that I'm going to launch with Divi 4.0. So the first one being Divi Blueprint 3.4. So this is the course which pretty much teaches you everything that you need to know about Divi 4.0, how to get started, and how to start designing with actually a very good workflow. Secondly, we're going to have a membership course, and this course teaches you how to build membership websites. Now, I've learned quite a lot throughout the months of building funnels to income, or you may know it as Mac training. And there's a lot of things that I came across which I think I need to share with you, my mistakes that I've made, which of course, once you go through this course, you won't need to worry about all these mistakes because I would have covered them. The next course is going to be the funnels course. So for those of you that want to build funnels for other businesses or for yourself, this is going to be a fully fledged course. It's going to be based on Cutflows. And then we're also going to have a course on how to create online course website, and this is going to be based on LearnDash. It's a fantastic platform. I've used it as well, and I really love it. One of the courses that I've always wanted to build, and this one will cover pretty much everything that you need to know about creating professional looking websites. And this course is going to be called the Web Design Formula. So this is going to be an advanced course which will pretty much cover things like design, how design is important and how to apply color theory, graphic design, typography onto your websites. I'm also going to be covering things like optimizing your WordPress website, security, very good hosting, stuff like that. So this is going to be a full package on the Web Design Formula. I'm also going to add another course which is called Business Website Blueprint. So this is a website which is ideal for small businesses. So if you're a freelance designer, you can use this template or this blueprint to design websites for small businesses. And then, as I mentioned before, all you VIP members, you will get free access to all these courses. But if you want to buy them outside the VIP membership, that's fine as well, because you can just buy any individual course and have access to that particular course. So pretty much that's my update. If you have any questions or any concerns, please leave your questions in the comments box below, and I'll do my best to clarify and explain exactly what is going on. So I know your question is, when is Divi 4.0 coming out? So as I mentioned, I cannot give you an exact date, but it's going to be around October. So that's when it's going to be released. And fingers crossed it's not going to be later than October, because that gives us now enough time to build all these courses, have them ready. So when you go into the new year, you have all these courses ready for you. But what I'll also be doing is I'm going to give you a behind the scenes where you can see me building these courses, just in case you may be interested in creating these type of courses yourself. So I'll be giving you a behind the scenes and some vlogging and so on, just to keep you entertained while I'm working on these courses. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. And as I mentioned, if you have any questions, comments box below. Take care, and I'll see you soon.